after many hours of work, I was able to rebuild the bulkhead. Haven't done the top body work yet, but that'll come along soon. I was able to build a new drip rail for the top, and it came out really well and was very solid. Following a couple weeks of that, we went ahead and seam sealed all of the seams underneath the body and painted it in two different stages. We did the first part of the body, which was the easiest part underneath the rear axle and the floor pans, and then a week later went ahead and painted the engine compartment, which took twice as long as any other part of the car, only because of all of the little nooks and crannies for the paint to get in. But it came out really nice. Really happy with the color. Again, the original color was red, and we decided to go with Old English white. We haven't picked the interior color yet. Now we've come to the assembly of the front end, and this is reversed, by the way. I've got to change that around. Anyway, so we're putting the front end suspension on and hoping to finish that possibly today. I've got all the components and new bearings and all of that to put it all together, and I've got some older wheels that we're going to put on it so we can roll it in and out of the garage or in and out of the carport so we can start working on the body shell. And the rear axle is ready to go. Probably another couple of days or a week and I'll have it rolling in and out of the garage. Friends watching us rebuild the car, and they keep growing and growing, and we're going to let them live as long as they don't sting me, but the minute I get stung, they all die.